Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you know your Apple ID and device passcode, and that screen time is accessible. Open Settings and go to Screen Time. Check content and privacy restrictions because these often hide apps. Next, swipe to the app library and use the search field to reveal apps not on home screen. Once done, toggle off any restrictive filters so hidden apps reappear. This prevents false positives when you continue. Now you'll unhide or restore apps. From the app library, press and hold the app, then choose Add to Home Screen. This moves it back immediately. If apps are missing due to space, go to Settings General iPhone Storage and offload them. This preserves data while reinstalling. If apps still won't show, reset the home screen layout or reset location and privacy to clear buggy permissions. Make sure to restart the phone after resets to apply changes fully. Finish by updating iOS to the latest version because software bugs often hide icons. Go to Settings General Software Update and install. Then verify your Apple ID by signing out and back in. This resolves sync and purchase visibility problems. If apps remain hidden, back up your iPhone to iCloud or Finder and perform a restore. This is a last resort reset that clears deep software faults. Troubleshooting tip: if restore fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.